Hello friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Ankr crypto. What's the price change, what's the high price and what's going in Ankr crypto and cryptocurrencies markets. I will show you in this video. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. So before starting, as you can see here, first of all we look the price prediction. After that we decided it's the best time to buy, sell or hold Ankr crypto. As you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of the last one day. As you can see here, they're loading. So if you don't subscribe, so please subscribe. Oh my goodness, absolutely good news for all Ankr holders. As you can see here, the change is positive 19.54% change occur in the Ankr and the last one day, and they frequently goes up. As you can see here, if we look the currently situation, so currently they are so in the goes up. So friends, that is last one day price prediction of Ankr crypto. Now the high price of Ankr is about $0.157716 is the high price of Ankr in the last one day. Now let's see the currently status of the Ankr. What's the currently condition of Ankr in the cryptocurrencies market? Absolutely good change occur in the Ankr and the previous last 1 hour. That is the last 1 hour price prediction of Ankr. They are gross up now currently. If you want to buy Ankr coin, so it's a big opportunity, it's a big chance, and it is the best time to buy Ankr coin. And the changes is positive 1.29% change occur in the Ankr in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Ankr is about $0.152707 is the high price of Ankr in the previous last 1 hour, friends. So according to the price prediction of the Ankr of the last 1 hour, last day, both changes are in positive and the price is also good. So my suggestion for all of Ankr holder, please hold your Ankr coin with the last half this month, because that is just a trailer of Ankr. The big explosion of Ankr are coming soon, so wait for it and hold your Ankr coin. I'm also hold my Ankr coin with the last half this month. So remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel and also share your opinion in the comment box about Ankr coin. Thank you so much for watching this video.